Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating aspects of color psychology: how colors affect our emotions and moods. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt a certain way because of its colors? Or maybe you've chosen clothes in the morning based on how you want to feel that day. Colors have a profound impact on our emotional states, and today we're going to explore why that happens and how you can harness this knowledge in your own life. Let's start with a simple question. What's your favorite color, and how does it make you feel? For many people, their favorite color evokes positive emotions and feelings of comfort. But different colors can elicit different responses, often subconsciously. Take blue, for example. Blue is often associated with calmness and serenity. It's a color that many people find soothing. Think about the last time you saw a clear blue sky or a calm blue ocean. How did it make you feel? Probably relaxed and at peace, right? That's because blue has been shown to reduce stress and promote a sense of tranquility. It's no wonder that many bedrooms and bathrooms are painted blue. These are spaces where we want to feel calm and relaxed. Now let's consider red. Red is a powerful color that can evoke strong emotions. It's associated with excitement, passion, and even danger. Have you ever noticed how your heart rate can increase when you see a lot of red? That's because red can actually stimulate your body and increase your energy levels. This is why it's often used in places where you want people to feel energized, like gyms or fast food restaurants. But red can also evoke feelings of warmth and comfort, which is why it's often used in dining rooms and kitchens. What about yellow? Yellow is a bright, cheerful color that's often associated with happiness and optimism. Think about how you feel when you see a sunny day or a field of bright yellow flowers. Yellow can lift your spirits and make you feel more optimistic. However, too much yellow can be overwhelming and even cause anxiety, so it's best used in moderation. Have you ever noticed how small doses of yellow, like a bouquet of sunflowers or a bright throw pillow, can brighten up a room? Green is another interesting color. It's often associated with nature, growth, and renewal. Many people find green to be a calming and refreshing color. Think about how you feel when you're surrounded by lush greenery in a park or forest. Green can make you feel more balanced and rejuvenated. It's also a color that's easy on the eyes, which is why it's often used in workspaces and classrooms to promote focus and concentration. Purple, on the other hand, is often associated with luxury, creativity, and spirituality. It's a color that can evoke feelings of mystery and intrigue. Think about how you feel when you see a deep purple sunset or a field of lavender. Purple can stimulate your imagination and inspire creativity. It's a color that's often used in spaces where you want to promote artistic expression and introspection. We can't forget about neutral colors like black, white, and gray. Black is a color of sophistication and elegance, but it can also evoke feelings of power and authority. White is associated with purity and simplicity, creating a sense of space and cleanliness. Gray is a balanced color, often seen as neutral and calming, but it can also evoke feelings of sadness or detachment if overused. So how can you use this knowledge in your own life? Think about the spaces where you spend the most time. What colors are dominant in those spaces, and how do they make you feel? Are there changes you could make to create a different atmosphere? For example, if you want your bedroom to be a place of rest and relaxation, consider using calming colors like blue or green. If you want your home office to be a space of creativity and productivity, you might incorporate stimulating colors like purple or yellow. As we wrap up today's lesson, take a moment to reflect on how colors influence your emotions in different settings. Do you notice a difference in how you feel in a blue room versus a red room? Have you ever used color to change your mood or the atmosphere of a space? In our next lesson, we'll look at how colors are used in marketing and branding to influence consumer behavior. We'll explore why certain colors are chosen for logos and advertisements, and how you can use this knowledge in your own projects. Until then, keep observing the colors around you and how they make you feel. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.